Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we learn what is meant by median. We learn what is meant by centroid, how to draw medians and centroid in an acute angle triangle and an obtuse angle triangle. In this video, we will check where the centroid of a right angle triangle lies. So for that, we have to draw one right angle triangle. Let's go for it. So first I will draw base of the triangle. Consider this is BC is the base of the triangle. At point B, I am going to draw one right angle. Here is 90 degree. Okay. So if I will connect it, one right angle will be created. Now to draw right angle triangle. So for that I will connect, let's say it as point A. Connect this point A and C. So one right angle will be created. Right angle triangle will be created. Now angle is created. Okay friends, so ABC is a right angle triangle. We have to find out centroid. Centroid means concurrent point of concurrence of medians. So for that we have to draw medians. Medians means line segment joining midpoint of a, a side and vertex opposite to that side. So let's find the midpoint of BC by drawing perpendicular bisector. Taken distance approximately more than half from point B, drawn one arc above and one arc below BC. Now without changing distance from point C, followed same procedure to intersect previous arcs. Now we are going to connect point of intersection of arcs. So this connection, the line passing through these 2 points is the perpendicular bisector of line BC. So intersection point of this line and segment BC, let us say it as point X. So X is the midpoint of BC. Now median will be midpoint of this BC and its opposite vertex A. Line segment connecting this X and A. So let's connect A with X, which will give us median AX. Okay, let's draw median on AC from vertex B. For that we have to find out midpoint of AC. Follow the steps to draw perpendicular bisectors of AC. So this point of intersection of arcs I am going to connect with scale, and the line passing through these 2 points, wherever it is intersecting segment AC, that point is the midpoint of AC. Let us give, this is that point, let us give it as name Y. So Y is the midpoint of AC. Opposite vertex of AC is vertex B. Let's connect B and Y. So that will be the median BY. Okay friends, from vertex A to its opposite side BC we have drawn median AX. From vertex B to its opposite side AC we have drawn median BY. Now from vertex C to its opposite side AB we have to draw median, and for that we require midpoint of AB. So let's find midpoint of AB. Take distance approximately more than half of AB. Draw one arc on right side of AB, one arc on left side of AB from point B. Follow the same steps without changing the distance from point A. Okay, let's connect this point of intersection of arcs. A line or line segment passing through these points is perpendicular bisector of AB, and this perpendicular bisector is intersecting AB at point Z. So Z is the midpoint of AB, and median will be vertex C connecting with point Z. So let's connect these 2 points, vertex C and midpoint of AB, that is point Z. Now see students, all these 3 medians are concurrent. So this point of concurrence is centroid, which is denoted with letter G, and centroid of a right angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Thank you friends.